Hi, my name is Rachel Gentile, and I'm 37 years old. I came to Dr. Lo probably about a month ago and wanted to see him for a very specific reason, and that was breast augmentation. I had been doing a lot of research about breast augmentation in general and different approaches, different styles, different surgeons. After doing my research on breast augmentation, I knew that I wanted to have the placement of my breast implant behind the muscle, and I also wanted to make sure that the procedure was done through the armpit. And not too many doctors are known for doing that. So the first couple of doctors that I looked, had consultations with basically, were not able to provide that service. They were able to still do breast augmentation, but it would be a cut that would go under your breast. And they couldn't quite guarantee the healing process and whether that cut that they made would be smooth or perhaps, you know, lump up or have any kind of issue. So that really wasn't something I was interested in. And then I finally found Dr. Lo through my general physician, and she had spoken so highly of him and his skills that I had a consultation with him. He made me feel right at home, didn't ask any questions that were not pertinent, and just really gave me his full attention. And originally, my first fear was that I was doing this and I was a little too old. Maybe I should have done this 10 years ago, 15 years ago. You know, why am I doing this now? I'm married, I have a small child. And he was very encouraging in the fact that if this is something you want to do for your self-esteem, for whatever reason, you should do it. If this is going to make you happy and feel better about yourself. So I decided that I was going to do this, and every step of the way he was able to answer any question I had. His staff is absolutely unbelievable. I can't say enough about the women that work in this office. They are not only there for you during your visits, but they are there for you during surgery. You can call and talk to anyone at any time about any question. And that for me was a really big deal. And the follow-up appointments after you have a procedure with Dr. Lo are unbelievable. He will call you, he spends time with you, he makes sure that everything is exactly the way that you want it to be and that you are 100% happy with the outcome of what you've had done. And for me, the breast augmentation was fantastic. I have never felt better about myself. I wake up every morning excited to just put something on, or not, and stare in the mirror. And it's really made a big difference in my life. And I never would have really gone and done this if it wasn't for Dr. Lo making me feel as comfortable and his staff making me feel as reassured as they all have. And now it's the most wonderful thing.